Hey guys, this is Ken from Nippon Bro. How's it going? Hope you guys are having a great day. It is hot here and I am literally just sweating through my shirt right now. It is crazy out here. But having said that, I gotta make some content for you guys because what I want to show you guys today is how to create B-roll with your MAVIC Air 2 handheld. That's right, handheld. But right after this intro. Hey guys, welcome back. So basically what we're gonna do is from here on out, we are gonna be shooting with the MAVIC Air 2, and right now I'm currently shooting on my Sony Alpha 6400, which I'll do a review about it in my own kind of experience with it and not really go through too much details like I did the MAVIC Air 2 review, which is right up here if you'd like to go see it and check it out. Just a non-biased review of my experiences, but not going too technical. But having said that, we're just gonna get right into it with the MAVIC Air 2, and I'll just kind of go a little bit vlogging style with it, so I'll be right back. Hey guys, as you can see, I am recording myself right now. So yeah, this is just kind of doing vlog style. So even if I kind of like walk around, let's just kind of like walk up here. I mean, it's pretty good. I don't think it's too bad. You can kind of still see yourself. I have an ND filter on right now, which is an ND16, which came with the Fly more combo, but I think it's working pretty well. I'm just syncing my audio with my A6400 with a lav mic, as you can see right here. But yeah, other than that, I think it's pretty good. I'll see it after in post and see how it looks. But anyways, we're gonna get right to the B-roll because I don't really have too much batteries with me today, and my memory card on my MAVIC Air 2, I actually left it at home, so I'm stuck with a 32 gigabyte SD card. So I think that will be okay. Just I can't do overboard with shots today. So basically I'm just gonna get right into it and I'll see you guys with this B-roll. Hang on one sec. Hey guys, hopefully you guys like that B-roll section. It's going underwater, guys, but it should be fine. I think it might be rust proof stand, I'm not sure, don't quote me on that. But anyways, what we're gonna do is we're just going to just show you through the menu of what I would do in terms of getting kind of cool shots with the MAVIC Air 2 handheld, because sometimes it is a lot more work to film with the MAVIC Air 2 when you put it in this mode, which is the FPV mode. So FPV mode, basically what it makes it do is it basically locks the camera with the actual drone itself. So whenever you turn, which I'm turning right now, but the gimbal is doing its work, but when I turn, it's gonna turn with the drone. So that kind of gets you the little bit of the FPV mode. The only thing with this mode when you are actually flying this drone is you're not gonna be able to get that big turn that you get with some of the actual FPV drones. So with the MAVIC Air 2, it's kind of limited. I think it's about like maybe not even 45 degrees of angle when you are turning. So having said that, you are gonna have limitations there. But when you are holding it with your hands, it's a different story. So let me just show you. Hey guys, just noticed when I was editing here, I forgot to mention the key important thing about the MAVIC Air 2 and filming with a handheld is the fact that it kind of eliminates the whole gimbal usage. So if you are actually getting, like for me, I have a Ronin S and I attach my Sony A6400 on it, and when I attach it on there, it takes a lot of time to kind of adjust everything, get it weighted properly and balanced. But with a MAVIC Air 2, you can just run and gun and it's pretty good to go. And when you're doing these kind of fast movements, that actually, even if you put on the FPV mode, it actually still takes into consideration of the up and down movement. So I was running there and it seemed pretty smooth. So that's just something that I left out there. So hopefully you guys will take that also into consideration. But let's get back to the video here. Hey guys, so basically what's going to happen now is I'm going to set this into FPV. So this drone right here, as you can see, I'm moving it around, but it is you know, pretty smooth because the gimbal, the 3-axis gimbal is kind of doing its work. So what we're going to do is set this into FPV mode to lock it with the body of the drone. So what you're going to do is just go to the top right hand corner with the 3 little dots next to each other, and you're going to press on that, and then you're going to go straight to control, and then you're going to scroll down a bit. Gimbal mode, this is follow mode. So what you're going to do is switch that to FPV. That is going to lock it into place. Now you're going to just click off the screen and it'll take you back. So now what's going to happen is when I turn this drone, look at that, it turns with it. And when I turn this drone again, boom. Obviously it's going to give you an altitude error. Also, I'm covering the sensors with the propellers, so it's going to give me some errors when it shows up, but when you record, it's not going to show that. So that's pretty good. The only thing is when you turn, you kind of get the shakiness because the gimbal is just kind of used to being in a 3-axis mode. So it kind of makes it so when you go past that 45-degree-ish angle, it's going to start to give you an error, and then the camera kind of will be a little shaky. But having said that, what you can do is you can kind of go around and then you can almost mimic an FPV drone. So what I'm going to show you is just a little bit of footage of examples of the FPV mode through the Mavic Air 2. So hang on 1 second. Hey guys, as you guys probably saw just the footage there, hope you guys liked it. I literally ran with these two in my hands trying to create that, you know, little roller coaster effect. So hopefully you guys didn't get too nauseous watching it, but it tired me out for sure. I think it's made me sweat even more. But basically what you're doing is just, you can see through the screen here on your phone when you connect it to the controller. Otherwise you won't be able to activate the actual gimbal itself in the camera. So what you're gonna do is just click on the record button, and you can pretty much just run around and just go like this. It'll create a little bit more of a different type of film that people can start to do with their Mavic Air 2, especially when, you know, some countries have like limitations of when you can fly and have to get permits and stuff in certain areas that you live in. If you can't fly it, you should still try to use it and try to make good film with it. And that's how I see it. But I kind of do it just because it gives me the different perspective. So you might see in my future videos, when I use a drone footage, it's gonna be from the drone, but it will be handheld depending on what kind of look I wanna get. It's not as good as an actual FPV drone if you wanna fly high and then, you know, get that kind of Sam Kohler effect where you're flying real high and going close to cliffs, but you're not going to get that with this. But you are going to get something close to it on the ground, which most people struggle to fly close to the ground, because when they turn the actual sensor, the obstacle sensors off, that's when a lot of people start crashing, and it can cost you a lot when these things go for a lot of money. So having said that, just running around, just make sure you don't trip over yourself, and, you know, bruise yourself, cut yourself, break some bones. Try not to do that, but stay safe. And I think we're just gonna sign off with this, and hopefully you guys can take this and implement it in your future videos. And I'm actually gonna maybe do another video with this if you guys like it so much. Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and smash that like button. And for any future videos that come out, just press on that bell button, because it's going to help me out a lot when you guys know that I have videos coming. And then also I have all these gears listed in the description below, so you guys can check them out. It is affiliate links. I do get a small portion of the sale, but it is no extra cost to you, but it does help the channel out and to be able to give away stuff in the future for you guys, and also to grow Nippon Bro, the channel and the company itself. And then I have some big news for you guys in the future for Nippon Bro, the channel and the company itself. So please subscribe, and hopefully I can get you guys more videos every single week. All right, I'm signing off. Till next time, till next week. There may be another video coming up, so I might not say next week, but till next time, I'll see you guys then. Peace.